One day I realized it wasn't cooking that was wearing me out. It was my kitchen, not because it was dirty, not because it was too small, but because I was taking way too many steps, bending too much, reaching too high, constantly walking back and forth while doing everyday tasks. And the biggest one, putting dishes away. Now that I cook almost every day, and usually more than once a day, I started noticing just how much energy I was wasting moving around the kitchen. I'd unload the dishwasher, walk across the kitchen for bowls, back again for coffee cups. Oh, forgot, so back again for plates, then another trip for pots and pans. And one day, I thought, why am I doing this to myself? Then I realized something else. My kitchen was organized the way my mom organized hers. And hers probably came from her mom. And somewhere along the line, I never stopped to ask myself, does this setup actually fit my lifestyle? That changed everything. So instead of organizing my kitchen based on habit or what looks pretty online, I started organizing it around the way I actually live. And honestly, you should too, because nobody knows your kitchen routine better than you do. If you cook every day, your kitchen should support that. If you bake a lot, your kitchen should support that. If you have arthritis, back pain, limited energy, or if you use a wheelchair, or you're simply not very tall, your kitchen should support that too. Why are everyday dishes way up in hard-to-reach cabinets? Why are heavy pots down low if bending hurts your back? Why are coffee mugs across the kitchen from the coffee pot? Sometimes we organize our homes around old habits instead of real life. So here's what I started doing. When unloading the dishwasher, I stand right beside it and remove everything first without moving my feet. I group things together on the counter by where they go. Then I grab everything for the farthest cabinet in one trip. Then the next cabinet, then the next. And suddenly, less walking, less frustration, less exhaustion. Then little by little, I started reorganizing my kitchen based on how I actually use it. Daily dishes moved closer. Frequently used items became easier to reach. Heavy items went where they were easier on my body. And I didn't do it all at once. One drawer at a time. One cabinet at a time. That's it. And honestly, it made cooking feel calmer. So if your kitchen has been wearing you out lately, maybe it's time to stop organizing it for somebody else's life and start organizing it for your own, because your kitchen should work for you, not the other way around. Don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video.